Imagine this. You are standing in front of people. Your hands feel cold. Your heart beats fast. You know what you want to say, but your mouth stays closed. That small voice in your head says, "What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh?" You are not alone. Almost every English learner has felt this fear. The fear of being judged, the fear of forgetting words, the fear of sounding silly. But here's the truth. Fear is not your enemy. Fear only shows that you care about doing well. And when you learn how to manage it, that same fear turns into energy, confidence, and strength. In today's episode, you will learn how to speak English in public without fear. We'll start by understanding what happens inside your mind when you feel nervous. Then we'll go step by step through practical techniques that make you feel strong and ready. And in the end, you'll have a full confidence plan you can use anytime you speak. So, if you have ever stayed silent because you were scared to speak, this episode is for you. Let's begin. Section 2. Why fear takes over. Before we fix the problem, we must understand it. Why do we lose confidence when we speak English in public? There are 3 main reasons. Number 1, the fear of mistakes. You think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if I forget words? But remember, even native speakers make mistakes. They repeat words, they pause, they say and Fluency is not perfection, it's connection. Number 2, negative thinking. Before speaking, many learners imagine failure. They think, I'll forget everything, or my English isn't good enough. When you think this way, your brain believes it. Your body reacts. Your voice shakes. Your heart races. But if you change your thoughts to, I can share my ideas, your body relaxes. Your thoughts shape your confidence. Number 3, comparing yourself to others. You see someone speaking fluently and think, I can never speak like that. But that person was once exactly like you. They also forgot words. They also felt shy. But they kept practicing. Comparison kills progress. Practice builds confidence. So the next time you feel fear, remember this line. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Now that you understand fear, let's move to the practical part. How to prepare before speaking.
Section 3. The Confidence Formula. Confidence does not appear by magic. It grows through preparation and practice. Here's your 5-step confidence formula. Step 1. Know your message. Before you speak, write down 3 main points you want to share. Simple ideas are easier to remember. If your topic is healthy habits, your keywords could be food, sleep, exercise. Step 2. Practice out loud. Don't just read in your mind. Your mouth and voice need training too. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak loudly and clearly. This builds muscle memory and fluency. Step 3. Record and review. Take your phone and record yourself for 1 minute. When you listen back, notice where you pause or rush. Every small correction improves your confidence. Step 4. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking calmly. See people smiling and listening. Your brain can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. So visualization prepares you for real success. Step 5. Start small. Don't wait for a big stage. Start speaking in daily life with friends, colleagues, or online groups. Every small practice builds a stronger speaker. Remember this golden line: the more you sweat in practice, the less you shake in public. Now that you know how to prepare, let's learn how to sound confident even when you feel nervous. Section 4. Speak with power and calm. You can speak fluent English, but confidence comes from how you sound. Your body, voice, and mindset create the real impact. Tip 1. Stand tall. Your posture tells your brain that you are ready. Stand with your shoulders back, feet firm, and head high. A strong body creates a strong mind. Tip 2. Smile before speaking. When you smile, your body relaxes and your voice sounds warm. A smile is your best natural confidence trick. Tip 3. Use pauses. Don't rush your words. Pause after important ideas. It makes you sound calm, clear, and powerful. Tip 4. Speak simply. Confidence doesn't mean using big words. It means being understood. Say start instead of commence. Help instead of assist. Simple English is strong English. Tip 5. Focus on the message, not yourself. Stop thinking, how do I sound? Start thinking, what do I want to share? When your focus moves from self to service, your fear disappears. And remember, everyone in your audience wants you to succeed. They are not waiting for your mistakes. They are waiting for your message. So next time you speak, take a deep breath, smile, and remind yourself, you are not here to impress. You are here to express. You can speak English in public without fear because confidence is not a talent. It's a skill you build step by step. Thank you for listening to the Unlock English podcast. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend and subscribe for more episodes. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep unlocking your English.